Hi, I'm Gary, welcome to my channel. Today I'm looking at the upcoming Revell Hunter T.7 in 1/32 scale. Now our friend Luke at Revell has asked for your opinion on one of the schemes that will be provided. As you might already know, Scheme B for this release will be an aircraft of the Royal Air Force, and Scheme C will be an aircraft of the Royal Netherlands Air Force. Now, Scheme A was originally going to be an aircraft of the RAF Black Arrows display team, but representations have been made that the scheme should depict an aircraft of the RAF Blue Diamonds team instead. The Black Arrows were the RAF's aerobatic demonstration team from 1956 to 1961, formed by crews from 111 Squadron. They're notable for having performed a 22-ship formation loop during the 1958 Farnborough Air Show, a feat never yet equalled, although clearly some aircraft had been drafted in for the event. Following on from the Black Arrows, the Blue Diamonds were formed in 1961 from crews in 92 Fighter Squadron and became the RAF's official demonstration team for the next 2 years. This is the scheme used by Matchbox in their much-loved 1983 release in 1/72 scale. Now, I have asked, and there is no option for a Scheme D, so it has to be one display team or the other. To make your feelings known, go to the community tab on my YouTube homepage. I've put it here and it's in the information box below. And Luke says he will go with whatever the majority wants. Do make sure you have your vote in by the end of February the 14th, 2025 for it to be counted. That's the deadline for the decal designers. I'll publish the result on Monday Matters on my channel. It's not often a major company will ask for your opinion in this way, so why not make it count? Thanks so very much for watching. Do take care now, and goodbye.